In this video, I'll show you how to turn on Show Taps in Developer Options on your Android phone. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your device. Next, scroll down and tap on Additional Settings. Then, tap on Developer Options. Once you're in Developer Options, scroll down until you find the Show Taps option. Tap the toggle next to Show Taps to turn it on. When enabled, a small visual indicator will appear on the screen each time you touch it, making it easy to see where you're tapping. This feature is especially useful for screen recordings, tutorials, demonstrations, and troubleshooting touch-related issues. You can turn the feature off at any time by returning to Developer Options and disabling the Show Taps toggle. That's it. You have successfully enabled Show Taps in Developer Options on your Android phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Android guides.